the best organic solution for poultry chicken growth. Are you a poultry farmer? You want to maximize the growth of your poultry and livestock animals, most especially those of you into broiler farming. This video is for you. In today's poultry farming industry, farmers are faced with several challenges, from slow growth, weak immunity, high mortality, frequent diseases, different ones with different names, and poor feed conversion ratio. Many farmers depend heavily on synthetic drugs, antibiotics, and chemical growth promoters, which can harm the birds, reduce meat quality, and create antibiotic resistance. Most times you see that some medications will continue working for you. To some extent, they will stop working. At times you use them, spend money, buy them, use them, and they don't do anything at all. That is the work of synthetic for you. They have failure rate and high resistance rates also. But the good news I have for you in this particular video is that there is now 100% organic, natural, and highly effective solution that boosts growth, enhances immunity, and improves digestion and increase body weight without any chemical additives at all. This natural breakthrough is called Ecobiobooster. You have it here. Ecobiobooster. It's a powerful organic solution. You see it. Many farmers are using it. Many are yet to know about it. If you are among those that are yet to know about it, you are lucky today that this video is coming your way. Ecobiobooster works by strengthening the immune system of your poultry and livestock animals, especially broilers and growers, noilers, and layers. Enhance gut health and digestion, reducing stress in birds, and improve feed conversion ratio, eliminating harmful pathogens in their system, and supporting rapid and healthy growth in your poultry birds. For broilers, layers, cockerels, turkey, duck, geese, guinea fowl, and all poultry species, Ecobiobooster gives you faster growth, stronger immunity, better egg production, and improved survival rate, all 100% organic. This is the product for you. If you have not known about it today, you are highly welcome to the community users of Ecobiobooster. Ecobiobooster is an organic growth immune formula made from 999 natural medicinal plants, purely natural, fermented herbal extracts, beneficial microbes, organic enzymes, and natural antioxidants. It boosts the immunity of your poultry birds, and it serves as food and also as medication. You can see it. This is a wonderful product. What are the main actions of this Ecobiobooster? It stimulates natural growth hormone production. It strengthens internal organs, the liver, heart, and digestive tracts. It balances good bacteria in the gut. You know, when you have the beneficial bacteria, it fights the harmful bacteria off. It prevents coccidiosis, bacterial infections, and digestive disorders. It promotes and provides natural multivitamins, minerals, and amino acids and antioxidants. It boosts egg production and shell quality in layers. At the same time, egg yolk color. The egg yolk color of your laying birds will turn to pure yellow like this. If you see, it looks attractive. In fact, your customers will come looking for you all the time. It is stable for broilers, layers, broilers, noilers, cockerel, turkey, duck, geese, guinea fowl, quails, and all the feathered animals. What are the complete vitamins and minerals required for your broilers to grow, which this particular product has? Your chickens need vitamin A, which is good for vision, immune strength, and growth, up to 10,000 IU per kilogram. They need vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is for bone formation, calcium absorption. They need up to 2,000 IU per kilogram. They need vitamin E also, antioxidant. It's good for antioxidant and fertility. They need 30 to 50 milligram per kilogram. They need vitamin K for blood clotting and metabolism, 2 to 4 milligram per kilogram weight. This is Ecobiobooster. It has all this inside. Purely organic and fully fermented. It can last up to 4 good years without damage because it has beneficial microbes. And the more it stays, the better it becomes. Because this beneficial microbes have food inside. They eat this food, and this food can serve them for over 4 years. It is water soluble. You just put it inside the water and give it to your poultry birds. It has vitamin B1, that's thiamine, which is for nerve and energy metabolism, 2 to 3 milligram per kilogram. That's what your animals need, your poultry birds. It has vitamin B2, which is riboflavin, for growth and feathering colors, 5 to 8 milligram per kilogram. That's what your animals need. It has vitamin B3, niacin, for digestive health. They need 40 to 60 milligram per kilogram weight of your animal. It has vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, for growth and for metabolism, 10 to 12 milligram per kilogram. They need vitamin B7, biotin, which is for skin, leg, and peak health, 0.1 to 0.2 milligram per kilogram. They need vitamin B9, folic acid, for blood formation, 1 to 2 milligram per kilogram. They need vitamin B12 for growth and reproduction. Most of those of you into breeding stock, egg-laying birds that are laying fertile eggs, 0.01 to 0.02 milligram per kilogram. They need vitamin B6 for stress reduction and immune boosting, 100 to 150 milligram per kilogram. And all these are contained in this Ecobiobooster, tested and satisfied. Now, this Ecobiobooster has a lot of minerals like calcium, which is good for egg and for bone formation, 1% to 1.2%. It has phosphorus for energy and for bones, 0.45 to 0.6%. It has sodium, which is electrolyte balance, it's 0.16 to 0.2%. It has chlorine for good for digestion of food, 0.2 to 0.3%. It has magnesium, enzyme function, and others, 600 milligram per kilogram. It has potassium, which is for muscle and for heart function, 0.3 to 0.4%. It has trace minerals like iron, zinc, manganese, copper, iodine, selenium, and cobalt. All these are good for the good growth of your poultry birds. Zinc is for growth and feathers and skin, 40 to 80 milligram. Then copper is good for blood and digestion, 5 to 10% or 10 milligram per kilogram. It has iodine, which is for thyroid function, 0.3 to 0.7 milligram per kilogram. It has selenium, which is antioxidant and immunity boosting of your poultry birds, 0.15 to 0.3 milligram per kilogram. It has cobalt, which is B12 and metabolism, 0.15 to 0.3 milligram per kilogram. How Ecobiobooster completes all these nutrients in your poultry birds. Ecobiobooster is naturally formulated to give organic remedy for the growth and health of your poultry and livestock animals. It is made up of organic vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin K, organic calcium, organic zinc, organic magnesium, organic manganese, and organic selenium. It has natural amino acid, methionine, and lysine, which are growth boosters. It has organic probiotic and enzymes that works for the health of your poultry birds. It has phytochemicals that improve nutrient absorption and nutrient conversion in your poultry and livestock animals. All this is what this product contains and help to boost the immunity and growth of your poultry birds. It serves as medication and also as food. Ecobiobooster, you are seeing it here. This is 5 kg or 5 liters. Any way you think it. This is 5 liters complete. And it goes for 55,000 naira only. You only serve 10 meal to your poultry birds for 3 days. Then the remaining days in the week, you can give them ordinary clean water. It protects your birds throughout the period. And if you use it from beginning to, you can use it from day 1 till maturity. Don't have any issue. But give vaccine on the vaccine day. Skip this product a day before vaccine. Give them plain water a day before vaccine. Then, immediately after vaccination, continue to give it to them to reduce stress and at some time reduce mortality. Ecobiobooster is one of the most powerful organic solutions ever produced for boosting poultry growth and immunity. It is made from 999 natural fermented plants. It enhances digestion, prevents disease outbreak, increase feed efficiency, and at the same time support rapid weight gain without any sign of antibiotics or chemical. It is purely organic. When combined with a balanced feed containing the correct vitamins and minerals, as I mentioned in this particular video, your birds will grow faster, healthier, and stronger, giving you the highest profit you ever imagine, low mortality and better performance. If you combine it with this our feed booster, this feed booster is 1 kg. You can use it to mix 4 to 6 bags of your commercial feed to get the maximum benefit, the maximum result. You are going to get amazing result in your poultry farm. What are you waiting for? Give me a chat now. Send me a message on my WhatsApp line on this screen. Let us start from there. 55,000, 15,000 only. This, you can get it under 24 hours. It is only from our farm. You can't see it in any part of the globe. There's no part of this world you see this except from our farm. We send it to your location. It is produced by us, for us, and for you also. Why not make use of it and get amazing results? Smile like other farmers that are using it. Some farmers say once I stop production, they will stop their poultry farming business because this is where they depend now to farm. Some nearly quit, if not this product. Thank you for watching the video. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers and give this video a thumb up. It is not easy. This is from us and for us and by us. Why not give it a thumb up if you like good things and you want good things to happen to you? Give it a thumb up and appreciate this support I'm giving to farmers globally. Thank you for watching. Till the next video is uploaded. Stay tuned. Don't go away for now. Bye.